everyone. Here we are trying to interface the Arduino Uno board with the Beaglebone black through the UART interface. So this is a basic circuitry used. We have used the UART transceiver pins of the board and connected it to a logic level converter so that we'll get the low logic levels for the Beaglebone black. So this is a basic circuit setup. We have made use of UART 4, which is corresponding to pins 11 and 13 of the Beaglebone, and that's connected to the low voltage levels of the logic level converter, and the high voltage side is connected to the Arduino board, which corresponds to 5 volts. And we have connected all the power and ground pins as well as the transceiver pins. And now this is the Arduino IDE. So we are using the LED pin 13, user LED on the Arduino board, and so this basically accepts an input from the Beaglebone side through the UART receive pin of the Arduino, and once a character is read based on a character input, let's say 1, 2 or 3, the flashing frequency is set. Varying flashing frequencies are set based on a delay function. So let's say if character received is 1, the delay will be 200 milliseconds, and if it's 2, then it's 400 milliseconds. If 3, 600 milliseconds, likewise. So it's a basic simple program trying to control the user LED on the Arduino side with the input from the Beaglebone through the UART interface. So now the code is already uploaded onto the Arduino. So here we are making use of a mini-com interface to talk with the Beaglebone UART interface. As seen, we have used a UART 4 interface. So these are the various options with the mini-com. We are using turning on the echo option. So now let's say a valid input 1, so that corresponds to 200 milliseconds delay flashing. That's for 20 cycles, and the corresponding response that we got as expected is the delay. Now let's say 2, and it's even more delay compared to the previous one, just like what we have set. And let's say 3. Now it's even more slower with a lower frequency, since the delay corresponding to that is 600. That's done, and while that's done, it won't accept any other invalid inputs, as can be seen. So this is a basic setup. So this is such a simple program used to just interface and see whether we are getting a response from the Arduino or not. So that's it. Thank you.